How to enable autosave in Terraria. So to enable or verify autosave in Terraria, the method depends on your platform. So if you're on PC, like Steam, autosave is an option you can toggle in the main menu. Just open up your settings, click on escape, go to settings, then go to the general tab, and here on the right side, you will see the option to toggle your autosave on or off. So if I click off, as you can see, it automatically sets it to off, but if I click on, it automatically sets it to on. If it's turned on, the game saves your character and world data automatically every 10 minutes. And if it's turned off, the game only saves when you click the save and exit option right here. But if you're a console like PlayStation, Xbox, or Switch, autosave is generally enabled by default and cannot be always turned off depending on the console version. And for mobile like iOS or Android, autosave is automatic and mandatory, so there is no toggle to turn it off in the mobile version settings. Though I suggest to make everything safe and secure is every time you go out or exit out of Terraria, just basically click on save and exit right here instead of like closing up your tab or something. So click on save and exit and everything will be saved just like that. And that is how I basically enable autosave in Terraria.